Jason, what do we have here today?
So we have the Supreme Life Vest in our hand right now. It just got delivered to our house today, and we're going to be unboxing it and reviewing it for you guys. We have it. Waterproof material on the life vest. Big red box logo right under here. With some straps. 2 straps to tighten the vest. YKK zippers up here. Good quality.
Wow, Jason. Looking sexy now.
How it look?
Very nice. Wow, it's Supreme box logo.
Yeah.
Hey. Do some dancing. Alright, now my turn to try on the Supreme Life Vest. I'm zipping it up. Oh. Looks sexy now?
Right, so the Life Vest retails for around $140, and it was one of the first items to sell out at the store and online. So by 12 p.m. every size of the Life Vest was already sold out, so a lot of people were not able to buy this item in store or online. But it's currently going for around $250 to $300 on StockX, depending on the size. Of course, like a size XL is gonna be worth more because more people would fit that size, and a size small is currently the cheapest because not many people can fit into the small. Now I know some of you may be wondering whether I should buy the Life Vest right now, or if you currently have the Life Vest, are you wondering if you should sell it right now or sell it in the later on while you hold it while the price goes up? In my opinion, I think it's best to sell it right now as soon as possible because all the online orders are coming in right now, and then prices are just gonna drop. The price probably won't go up too much because everyone that wanted the Life Vest would have already gotten it already too. And then this item it's just a Life Vest in the end of the day. It's like, you know, you see it. It's a regular red Life Vest with a Supreme all around. It's pretty cool, but over time, the price is gonna pretty much stabilize around $300 in my opinion. So if you want to cop, it's probably better to cop it right now. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it.